Hey guys, it's Black back at it again, and today we're going to be playing a game called Chat Fonce. And if you guys do not know what that means the cat, the dark cat. Petite adventure, this is the third one in the series. Let's collect the leaves and find my friends. Dude, why do you need so many leaves? Can you just divide 120 leaves into 5 pieces? And then we need friends. Well, the friends I can understand, dude. Okay? You need friends or else you become lonely. Let me up. Come here. Key piece. What's over here? Another key piece. And I can't get up there. Because I am small. Oh, sweet. Yo, dude. New phone, who dis? My new phone, who dis? You know what? I'm not even gonna talk to you. Because you're looking kinda sus, my guy. Wait a minute. Yo, where's my guy? No, I'm lagging. Fireflies. Key piece. Not the sewers again. Oh, if only you guys could hear my headphones right now. Okay, I need to turn that down. Oh, it's better. Now it doesn't make me deaf whenever I hear it. Like, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to join the Tired Gang. That's what I decided to call since no one decided to comment on the video. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, great. They added parkour into this game. Boop, boop. Yeah. That area looking kinda sus, my guy. That's a key. And I want it. That's an orange key. Is that important? I could make a joke here, but I don't want this video to get demonetized, so. Oh, that's. Oh. 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 Wait. New phone, who is this? Oh, this is Mr. Frisk. This is Frisk. Frisk, finally I found you. Oh, hi chat. Sorry for being late, but is everything alright? I'm trying to find my friend, but I lost my key. She lives in a private apartment, which you can only get there with a special key, but I lost mine on the way. Woof, I'm sorry. Don't worry, buddy, I'll help you. Go to my lair with your friend, don't worry. Thank you. Woof, woof. New phone, where did he go? And for some reason, this place got some really good vibes. Moon, what are you smiling at? You're looking kinda sus. Yeah, like, boom, boom. This place do be getting vibes though. This place do be vibing though. Please doesn't. Don't touch the chat, guys. I want to Yahoo at the Empire State Building. What? Oh, just right here. Ah. No! Collected the leaves. There better be an orange key piece up here. Remember, kids, do not jump off buildings, okay? This cat is specially trained, and he knows how to jump off buildings. So don't jump off buildings. Okay. Wait. This place suddenly got them vibes? That's what I'm using the leaves for. Yo, what's up, Frisk? You guys are going to get along, Wolf. Hey, Chat. Found the key for him. I have a feeling you guys are going to get along. Woof! Let's go over here. Did I already... This place is new. I don't want to get copyright claimed. Because I'm not at all lost in the woods. No. That'd just be a no. I'm not lost in the woods. I'm found in the woods. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I've been found in the woods. Of course, they block off that bit so you can't cheese it. This man do be looking kinda sus though. Oh yeah, I have a full blue key. Nope. Nope. Leaves. Okay, guys, I think... Wait, what? You know what? I think I'm gonna do a full playthrough of this game today, and if not, I'm gonna, like, try and find at least 3 of this Mr. Man's friends. New phone, who is this? Yo, this man is Jace. Hey, Jace, glad to finally found you. Hey, Chad, I was wondering when I was about to leave for your place. Nice. So, see you there? Yeah. You need help with the leaves? Oh, no, it's okay. See ya. See you there. What is it with these people and disappearing into the stratosphere? Do they seriously commit to disappear? No. Yeet. Yay! Boop. Parkour. Hardcore parkour. No more hardcore parkour. What does this man's house be like? Ah, EA Sports. Wait, no. This video is probably gonna get copyright claimed. Into the underground lake. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Into the underground sewage water. That smell bad. That be smelling kinda sus. I really need to stop. I hope this video doesn't get monetized for this dude swimming animation. He's swimming, not doing anything else. He's just swimming by moving his body back and forth. You gotta get that workout. He just like everyone else, he gotta get that. You gotta get that 6-pack. Hello? He gotta get that 6-pack, just like everyone else. And then he gotta build up his calf muscles. Whoa. Music suddenly. Jazz music. Jazz party disco man music. Then we got mysterious ground cave layers. Key. Where is the other pieces of the orange key so I can meet someone? Yeet. Bum bum. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. There's a Mr. Mooseman in there. Okay, guys, I think I might cut the video here. Have a good day, and I'll see you all next time.